Here at Richardson's, we're really looking forward to welcoming you aboard for your holiday. This series of videos is designed to help you enjoy boating on the Broads safely. If you want to travel between the northern and southern Broads during your visit, you'll need to cross BREYDON Water. This part of the Broads is very tidal. The water can rise or fall by over 2 meters, and you'll have to navigate a number of bridges, so you will need to plan your crossing and take extra care. Plan to cross during slack water to ensure you have clearance under the bridges. You can find the best times to cross by calling the yacht station on 01493 842 794 or checking the tide table in your captain's manual on board your cruiser. Remember that you can only drive your cruiser during daylight, and you'll need to allow 2 hours to travel to Great Yarmouth from Acle, Reedham or St Olives. When there is severe weather, such as high winds or fog, BREYDON Water is closed to hire boats, so check the forecast in advance. During your crossing, all crew members should wear a life jacket and remain inside the cockpit. You'll need to lower your canopy and windscreen in plenty of time, so you are ready to pass under the bridges. You should moor up to do this. Check the bridge height gauges to ensure clearance as you approach them, and follow the signs and arrows directing your passage through. Watch out for water skiers and always stay between the green and red posts that mark the channel. The water is very shallow outside of the posts, so don't take shortcuts as you risk getting stuck on the mudflats. When you arrive at Great Yarmouth Yacht Station, ensure you follow the advice in our mooring video. The tides cause the water to flow very quickly here, and extra care is needed. Other locations that can prove challenging include Reedham. It is vital that everyone continues to wear a life jacket and holds onto the boat whilst mooring. A full guide to crossing BREYDON Water is published in the Broadcaster magazine, which will be given by your trial run driver. But if you have any concerns at any time during your holiday, you can call us for advice and assistance on the number in your captain's manual. Make the most of your boating holiday with the Richardson's Boating Holidays app. From planning routes and checking journey times to discovering hidden gems and mooring spots, the Richardson's Boating Holidays app does it all. Download now and unlock everything you need for an unforgettable Broads National Park adventure.